The most common understanding is that John Northwood in England invented the use of templates to draw patterns in the wax layer of glass objects prior to etching. Based on this, the start of industrial etching for decoration can be set at 1861. It seems like his first template etching machine could neither rescale the pattern nor copy it to many glasses. But the machines were rapidly improved, and already in 1880 did Reimyre Glasswork import the pantograph for several glasses from Fugner Etier in Paris. The pantographs used in Sweden were imported from France, from England, and from Germany. Knowing this, it is very odd that Rona Glasswork in Slovakia claims to be the first glasswork in continental Europe to use a pantograph as late as 1896. Some say that the first pantograph in Reimyre would have taken 36 glasses, but that is a number that leaves us in doubt. Anyway, just like the guilloche machine, is the idea with a pantograph to draw a predetermined pattern in the wax layer covering glasses before etching. But that is the end of the analogy. The pantograph allows to retract the needles so the pattern can have broken lines. And the pantograph allows you to adjust the scale so that one and the same pattern template can be used for smaller or larger glasses. We show two pantographs. One is horizontal and takes 24 glasses, while the other one is vertical with 12 positions. Sorry to say, we miss some parts to the vertical pantograph, but the horizontal one works. We also show some 200 patterns on about 140 brass templates, plus a number of glasses with pantograph decorations. Finally, we show a video from the mid-1940s where you will see how fast a skilled worker could run the pantograph when it was actually in daily use and hence was easy to move. Both pantographs have been donated to the museum from Kosta Glasswork. Our horizontal pantograph was used at Kosta until the mid-1980s. We also have a pattern template dated 1898, and that is the oldest one holding a safe date. We know that an etching machine was imported from England to Kosta in 1894, so we say that the horizontal pantograph was used from about 1895 and was in production until 1985, totaling 90 years. Unfortunately, we have not been able to identify where the vertical pantograph was used, and we have not been able to identify the manufacturers. On the horizontal pantograph, you will find text and schematics to describe the mechanics, and you are also encouraged to touch it to see it move. Doing that, you also must consider that it was moving very much smoother when it was in daily use and when it was standing in a heated room. And also remember that it dates from 1895, so pay it the proper respect.